Welcome back to the Amazon Reseller Network. Luke here. Today's video is going to be how to add a product to your Amazon Seller Central inventory for FBA. So you will go to the option in the left-hand corner, and then you will go to Catalog and then Add Products. So then you can either add in your ASIN, which is your Amazon catalog number, or you can add in the product title or the brand name. So I'm just going to use Lego as an example. Then you're going to have to do your due diligence and to make sure that you're adding the right product and it matches with the product that you've already bought from a retailer or an online retailer. So we're going to just use this as an example today. So it'll be select a condition. So you can either do new, collectible, or used. Today we're going to use new. So then sell this product. So at the top, it has got $24.99 and the Prime logo right next to it. What that means is $24.99 is the buy box at the moment. My big advice to you is always add products matching the buy box or slightly higher. If you put it slightly higher and the price goes up, you're going to be making more money. And you've always got that option to lower the prices to match the buy box when it goes live. So always match the buy box. So you've got seller SKU, so you can add in your own SKU if you like. I personally don't. You can enter your own SKU and put 01 Lego dash Tesco RA. Use that as an example, and then we're going to match the buy box, so that will be $24.99. Then condition is new. And then for Amazon FBA, it is always Amazon will dispatch and provide customer service. So then we go save and finish. So Amazon barcode, we always use an Amazon barcode. If you're new, brand new, first time entering products to your inventory, have a little read of this, why we use Amazon barcode. So we go save and continue. And then add dangerous goods information. So if your product has got batteries, you're going to put yes and yes, and that classifies then as dangerous goods. For this example, we're using Lego, so we know it doesn't come with batteries, so we go in no and no. Submit. And then save and continue. And then that's it. Your product is added to your Amazon Seller Central inventory. See you on the next one.